I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and I want to briefly talk about this sweet little goddess deck that I got in my last moon box by Dye Collective. They say At the Moon Journal. I got a lot of questions about it. If you type this link, that's where you can get the information, but I think you want to go to the moon underscore journal to see if you can buy this goddess deck. So these are the backs. There's only 12, but they're beautiful. So Pele is Aries, Gaia is Taurus, Spider Woman is Gemini, Eat Sound is Cancer, Bridget is Leo, Demeter is Virgo, Aphrodite is Libra, Kali is Scorpio, Mott is Sagittarius, Morgan is Capricorn, Oya is Aquarius, and Kuan Yin is Pisces. And I love how it has just goddesses from everywhere. Beautiful, simple, absolutely love this deck. It's going to get a ton of love and use. Wonderful choice. So I will do my best to find a link that you guys can buy these if you want to. Please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon. Love you so much.